Hi guys, your miss is back. Okay, back to next temple. അപ്പം അടുത്ത് നമ്മൾ പോകാൻ പോകുന്നത് കാരണത്ത് മാസ്ക് വേണ്ടല്ലോ. അടുത്ത് നമ്മൾ പോകാൻ പോകുന്ന കഴിക്കകം ക്ഷേത്രമാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ ചാമുണ്ടി ടെമ്പിൾ. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ Durga temple. Okay, there we will go. But when I have to drive, no other go. I have to wear this. Okay, let's go. Seat belt is must. I have to wear. Let's go. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ ലൈറ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല, നേരം മുതിർന്നു. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. Okay. ഒന്നും പറയണ്ടായിരുന്നു. I was trying to shoot. I tried to shoot now. Those things they asked me to delete. It's a very strict temple. You don't know, the temple premises are in surveillance. I told them, but we can't tell beyond a limit. Now they are also staff. What can they do? So please don't ever try to cover video outside its premises. Moral of the story. കാരണം നിങ്ങളെ ഒന്ന് കാണിക്കാമല്ലോ എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചാണ് ഞാൻ അവിടെ വീഡിയോ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് പ്രമിസി. ബട്ട് ദേ ആർ വെരി സ്ട്രിക്റ്റ്. യു ഡോണ്ട് നോ ദ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റാഫ് ആൻഡ് ബട്ട് ഐ ടോൾഡ്, see, these rules are too much because I am not covering anything regarding Ideal now, but still that's a strict temple. So anybody who is visiting this temple, be careful not to shoot even outside its premises also. So we are on the way to Karikagam temple. Okay. Tri junction, we have to be careful. See, driving is cool. I off my stereo and all because if I play the music we won't be able to record. That's the thing. Driving is cool, but you have to be careful. That's the thing. Before Sachin sir's class I have to cover 2 more temple. Let's see whether it's possible or not. I don't want to miss any of the classes that's there. Morning rainy climate it is. Back to the topic. See, Pratik Nayak sir's history class. No words to say because he analyzes the topic in such depth that you don't know what an educator he is, because not many of the people can analyze such type of history, because you need to have a thorough reading of several books regarding ancient history and all. It's not that an easy job. I mean, other subjects we can tackle out like science and tech and all, but this is just awesome. He is the way he teaches and presents. See, being from a science background, I am hating history. Okay, but when my civil service preparation came, I ought to love that subject because of the way he teaches that. That's a skill only. All the educators are skilled. Understood? So that is there. Then one more sir was there, right? In geography, I used to watch Muhammad Ruswan Sir's class as well. That is also good. Earlier I told about Archis Malik. This is also good. This Muhammad Ruswan Saz is also good. He is also an experienced educator. For ecology also, I will suggest him only. It's good. Then talking about my optional sir, Ashok sir. I like his classes as well. It's quite interesting. Always he used to address me like, my name is Sindhuja, but in my learning app I have changed it to my pet name Ammu's IPS. So he used to call me Ammu's IPS from Kerala came, Ammu's IPS from Kerala came. So that's good. Good to hear. Good to hear that I am getting pampered by several educators. Now I do need that. That's my intention. Apart from not just studying, I want to be inside the mind of my educators. I want to grab their attention. So that is there. Right from my schooling, KG classes itself, I am such a type of student. So all of a sudden I can't change, right? So that is there. Then Nisha Miss used to call me Kallakaram girl. That's also good. Then the way she calls me now, that you are my girl. Just love that word. Then her song A B C D E F G H I. That's also speciality of her. See, when I chit chat with you guys like this, I am half stress free because tomorrow my exams are going. I'm excited. I am not having that feeling of, because I was an educator, right? Professionally, I'm an educator, so I used to motivate my students not to get stressed, and me being stressful, it's not right now. So you yourself have to find the ways how you can be stress-free. UPSC exam is not like till midnight of that last day you are studying and cracking. It's not like that. It's not at all like that. All these are galat notions. UPSC exam means the preparation starts 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. It's like a wine bottle. The more you do, the more you can crack. The more years of preparation you are having. Okay, so what I am thinking of today as a strategy is just feel free, do whatever things. This driving is one proof of thing which I love the most. Whenever I feel down, because I am also a human being, right? So what I used to do is I take my vehicle, go for a long drive, or inside city somewhere I will go. I love beaches, malls, traveling to theatre, everything I like. So that is the way I find being cool and chill. Okay, so everybody has their own spacing now. I am no one to insist all should take the 4-wheeler and go, right? It's up to you whether what is fun for you, you have to do that. The last day today you have to do that. Not like till midnight or till exam time you are doing. Till yesterday your revisions must have been over, and today you have to be feel free, relaxed. Do visit the temple if you are a devotee of some god or goddesses. It will give you live classes you can attend, like Sachin Sir's class is there, that you can attend. No need of missing. I'm telling, don't stress and think like in this way, like I have to study this, I didn't cover that. It is all that Dil and Josh which matters. Not seriously, the people who cover all the syllabus, it's not necessary that they will crack the exam. If some stress or something is coming, some careless mistake is coming, they too can come down now. So it's a confidence which we have to build. If you have confidence, miracles can happen. Let's see what we can do. Not overconfidence, confidence to an optimum level. Okay. Again, it's drizzling. I think rain is, it's going to rain. For the first time I am driving and what? Shooting this video in my channel. It's a wonderful experience. The temple where I am going now, Kadikagam Chamundi Devi temple. So near to it is our Shangamugamka beach. It's a famous beach. Now because of lockdown we are not allowed to enter there, right? That is there. Ashok sir is there, then so many friends are there. We got so many friends now. I used to remember all of them like Devnath. His favorite name is Chaitanya these days, so Chaitanya. Both are one and the same. Arul, then Krishna, Shilpa, all these are good friends of mine. Then who all are there? So many juniors are there. Ankita, Gomati, Akila. Akila is a good girl, okay, good girl of mine. My junior she is. So she used to all the time tell, I will crack, like that. Neena is there, Neena teacher. When I used to work in Madurai, I came in contact with her. Good to remember all these people. She is also good by heart because I don't have younger sister. All are elder to me. So I like them. Then Nisha Miss is there. Nisha Miss means not my educator, the other my friend Nisha Miss. She is the like my younger sister only. Both Neena and Nisha, both of them motivate me a lot. Okay. At times motivation matters a lot. I reached the college where I did my work. Through that way I am doing my PG and all. So at times we need blessings of what? Teachers, parents, everybody's elders blessings we need. So just by bookish knowledge we can't reach nowhere. See, today if we reach somewhere, if you are able to make your educators happy, believe me, I'm damn sure half of your life will be successful. Mark my words guys, okay? So that is there. The journey was also good. Don't know when this 2 years went. After that last year ka prelims ka exam, 1 more year was there. Na? Don't know you it went like this. But it was good. See, you have to see this UPC ka journey as what? An interesting thing. Not like, acha kam, I have to study geography, history. If you think like that, you will what? End up in what? Not having any enthusiasm or interest towards that study. So you have to take it in a fun way. Try hard to beat this exam this year. If not, try for next one. That's it. This is just a part. This is just an exam of a part of an exam of our life. Don't take it in a serious way like what? Oh, today this time I didn't crack, so never in my life I will be able to. See, most of the people whom I know, they have cracked in 3rd, 4th, 5th attempt. So if you are having the dill and josh to work, now this year you know what is your fault, where you defaulted, what portions you didn't cover. Make it a point to cover in the next attempt and crack it. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. Then your rest is rest, right? First we have to focus on that. Then Roman Saini sir, we have to appreciate him also, because without, if he didn't bring this particular app and all, we wouldn't have got such an excellent teachers, right? Such an excellent teachers we wouldn't have got in life. That is there. Let all of you crack the exam. Then what else we have to tell? Tomorrow reach on time, okay, in center. I think I am able to cover only one temple now. One more temple I will, but it's online class, I can adjust. Started raining heavily and I will fix my windows. Superb rain is moving on this side. Falling. It was better that I came out for this temple darshan morning. Otherwise, evening, excuse me, heavy rain is happening. Need not worry about tomorrow.